Hello. How are we doing?
Hello, everyone. Doing well. How are you?
I am doing good. I'm realizing we didn't, I should have updated my name so it was like Ryan and Mary from MLH, but
yes.
Sadly, you're not getting any recognition here, Mary.
It's okay.
Oh, we got the Mariah.
It is okay. Hello, everyone.
Howdy, friends. Let me get our slides pulled up here. There we go. I've got a hello as well from Jasper. Hello. We got more. Glad to see all the friends here.
Yep.
Also, first stream from the new MLH co-working space.
Yes, I call it an office in my
You do call it an office. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't sure if we're going with office or co-working space.
Yes, but everyone, welcome to our new office.
404. I hate to say it because I would love to have your viewership, but I feel like you go work on what you need to work on.
Close this out, 404.
MTV style Cribs tour right now. This is the entire space. Yeah, it's just me and Mary. It's 2 desks. Here is your MTV style tour, though. All right, my friends, we are here for Global Hack Week, Career Week. We're going to be doing a little closing ceremony and recap of everything that happened here. In case this is my first stream of the week, so we should definitely do some introductions. But I think you're up first here. Oh, I'm already failing. I'm up first here. In case you haven't met me before, I'm Ryan. I'm our director of events here at Major League Hacking. I get to work on all sorts of cool things that we help our organizers put on for hackers. I also help run our coaches program. And then my little fun fact of the month here, I am still deep in Satisfactory 1.0's release. That's been consuming all of my free time outside of work. I don't know if we have any Satisfactory fans in the audience here today.
And it's kind of on brand for Career Week.
You've got a second job
going on over there.
Yes. Mary likes to tease me that I have a second. I make that joke as well.
So. Don't pin that on me.
We have fans.
Oh, we've got some Satisfactory fans.
Ryan Lalu, I'm not shocked to see. So, do you want to give yourself an intro as well?
I would love to. For those of you I haven't had the chance to meet yet, my name is Mary. I work on first-party events as well as the MLH Hackathon League over here at Major League Hacking. And my fun fact is I'm enjoying the winter weather in New York City. I pulled out my coat for the first day today, and it was that nice, like, crisp winter air. So I'm very happy we're finally getting a little bit of that now that we're, over halfway through November.
Yeah, I feel like the first half of November was uncharacteristically warm in the city here. So I agree with Mary on that. In case this is your first stream that you're tuning in for this week, you might be wondering what exactly is Major League Hacking. I'm happy to cover that for you real quick here. It's our mission to empower hackers, just like each and every one of you here today. If you're attending one of our events, you're part of our community. We help run a global hacker community that serves folks all over the world through our digital events. And then we do in-person member event hackathons in North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific as well. Overall, we exist to empower hackers at any size or shape that they come in. Big group events like this, we do individual hackathons, workshops, all sorts of cool things. We're working with over 1 million hackers in our lifetime, which is super exciting. I think one of my favorite stats recently has been that 1 in 3 computer science students in the United States have been to one of our events, or at least folks graduated in the last year, which is a really cool stat. But we are here to focus on Career Week, so I'm going to let Mary talk a little bit about that.
Yes. I am going to take you through a little bit of a look back, a trip down memory lane of what the past week has looked like here at Career Week. So dialing us back to day 1 last Friday, y'all got started with green software. We had Paul from GitHub Sustainability join us. This is the second time Paul has streamed. Really fantastic stream. Highly recommend checking it out. I learned a ton both on his first stream that he did last month and then again at this one. So very cool to see the GitHub Sustainability team coming and supporting Global Hack Week. I know hackers had a lot of fun at this one. In addition to that, y'all got introduced to Defang. We had a great workshop from GitHub CTO, and he showed y'all the fastest way to develop, deploy, and debug which is, of course, with Defang. Really, really awesome stuff from Leo. I also just thought it was very cool that their CTO took the time to come over here and meet Global Hack Week hackers. He did a really cool project live on stream. He made a generator that pulled up a random picture of a dog or a cat.
I saw that. I think I see that. Is that later in the presentation? Someone has a version of that?
Yes, because some hackers followed along and built their own.
Nice.
So awesome stuff from them.
I saw the random cat photo and I got excited for the backstory. So I'm jumping ahead
That's
here.
probably it. In addition to that, y'all got to hang out with Ryan Lay, who I believe is in chat. So huge shout out to Ryan. Is Ryan Lay not?
I think it's Ryan.
Oh,
Lawler.
Ryan Lawler.
Yeah.
I apologize.
There's
I'm
now
embarrassing myself on
three
stream.
Ryans at Major League Hacking, which has gotten confusing, but we're all good friends. So, we're happy to be, you can consider us as a group of one. We're not offended by that.
Great.
I can speak to the group.
Okay, well, yes. Apologies to all the Ryans involved here. But we had Ryan Lay join us. Ryan made a really cool profile throughout the week, went over a ton of great design concepts, awesome stuff from him. We are Ryan.
Correct.
In addition to that, you'll discuss the tips and tricks to crack your next technical interview. This was with Steven. He was going over some of the cheat codes, if you will, of how to make sure you go into those interviews prepared and with the best idea of what to expect. I think stuff like this just makes the interview process so much less intimidating and go in a little bit more confidently once you've practiced some of the common examples. Is another great one. Check out the recording of this. Maybe even rewatch it before you have a technical interview to refresh your knowledge there.
Nice.
In addition to that, y'all kicked off the mobile app development track with UT. UT built a clone of the Global Hack Week website, which I have a picture of later. But this was UT's first time doing a mobile app track. And I particularly liked, I tuned into the first part of this, and he talked about why he wanted to do mobile dev. And it was because this was something he started learning in his personal life just a couple months ago. And after spending a few months on it, he realized there were so many shortcuts that he wished he would have known about before. And so he did this awesome track of basically, here's what I wish I would have known 3 months ago before I started doing this.
Yeah. That is, it sounds correct. I feel like we've all been there where it's like, if only I'd done this at the start.
Yes.
So.
Rolling on into day 2, we had a very, very busy day one there. Y'all got to get started learning about data structures and algorithms. This was with Steven, of course. He's done this stream or similar streams a few times in the past. A really great one. I know this topic is highly intimidating and one that they ask about in technical interviews all the time. So awesome work from Steven here. And then y'all got to keep working on the mobile app. Here's a screenshot of it coming together there.
Nice.
But he's working on a Global Hack Week clone for us.
Nice.
Rolling into day 3 here. At day 3, we had reached 4,000 points for the week. Which is really wild for folks who aren't familiar with the point system. Basically, like one action at Global Hack Week is a point. So this was either a combination of 4,000 challenges solved, workshops attended, dev post projects submitted. Awesome stuff here. And y'all wrapped up the first track that Steven did, which is a bit of a spoiler. Steven did a ton of streaming this week, so you're going to see some more of him. But he did wrap up that data structures track on day 3. Y'all got to hang out with Alberto and Jocelyn. If y'all didn't get the chance to meet Jocelyn this week, she is one of our newest coaches here. And they did a paired stream going over some common practice problems here. They were on HackerRank. And then Jocelyn, I know, joined for another mini event later the week. So huge shout out to her. I hope you all gave her the warm Global Hack Week welcome that I know you all do.
I feel like for her next stream, we need her to show off her mechanical keyboard collection.
Oh.
Fun fact I learned from her at HackRU is that she's very into mechanical keyboards.
That is very, very cool.
If we have any regular Global Hack Weekers in chat here, you got to remember that for Jocelyn's live stream.
Bring that up next time. Y'all got to hang out with Kari and you leveled up your resume. I thought this was cool. She made a programmatic resume here, and so I was working with code to generate a resume. I think this would be particularly cool to show off to recruiters because, like, what better way to show off that you know your stuff than your resume being built with code. So.
Mm-hmm. Is Eleanor Swift reference to anything? Do we know?
I don't know.
Okay. I was curious if it was my immediate reaction was it was a Taylor Swift reference.
I don't believe it's anything in the Swiftie community, but it could be in the other Swiftie community.
The hacking Swift community? Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Y'all hacked from Earth with space. Hacked Earth from space.
Just take it again. Take it from the top.
Okay.
You got it.
We're gonna reset.
Yeah,
we're gonna go back a slide actually. Okay. You all hacked Earth from space with open source. And this is again from the GitHub sustainability team. So this is one of the big sustainable projects that they have highlighted through GitHub sustainability, a global forest watch. Really, really cool stuff. If y'all didn't get a chance to attend this or see that list of top 10 sustainable software projects, make sure you check that out. We also shared some setups for the week. I saw some fun, I liked this one, the black and white, the kind of moody. Very, very cool.
So it looks like this person used one of those
Yes.
sustainability projects, which is cool to see.
Absolutely love to see that. And then I wanted to share this one because I thought the colors were really cool. Very, very fun LEDs there.
Are they missing the key on their keyboard, or is that a little sticker down there? You see above them.
It kind of looks like a key is missing,
It does
but
look
it
like
might
a
be
key
on
is.
purpose. So we don't know. Let us know if you're in chat.
I actually believe that it's been added. I think I saw that it said Earth fixed
Yes,
this.
I think it was added in the last
Yeah.
day.
If you give it a refresh, it should be there, is my understanding. If not, let us know and we'll take another look at it.
Rolling on into day 4 here. We kicked off the data visualization track with Steven. Yet another Steven track. I know y'all got to hang out with him a ton this week. Awesome stuff there. We also did the GitHub Copilot workshop later on in the week. We had Ryan Lalu, who I believe is in chat. Huge shout out.
Yes. As we always say, we are Ryan.
We are Ryan. Ryan went through how you can use GitHub Copilot. It's something that you get in the GitHub Student Developer Pack for free. Helps you out while you're running your projects. The first time I attended this workshop, I was genuinely blown away by how much easier it made debugging.
Yes.
So if you did not claim the GitHub Student Developer Pack yet and get access to Copilot for free, go and do that. You can still use the link. The Global Hack Week link bumps you to the top of the queue, which is why I highly recommend using that. It's like a fast pass for the Student Developer Pack. I also wanted to highlight some folks who are using the digital swag this week. If y'all haven't used this yet, you can download it on the main event page, but we have little frames for each Global Hack Week so you can show off to your friends that you're hacking at Career Week. I think this is a cool one if you want to dip your toes into LinkedIn posting. You could use this to show off to some of your connections there, all the things that you're working on.
Nice.
Going on into day 5 here, you worked on a GitHub and Jekyll profile with Cecilia. So another kind of take on the profile project. We had a couple different versions of this throughout the week, but another great one because you could try it out with different tools. And Cecilia worked on that one with you.
Was that on GitHub Pages, do you know?
I believe so.
Yeah, I would assume so.
And then you wrapped up the mobile development track with UT. So finished that one up, got some reminders started on it, which I thought was cool. I liked as well, I was watching UT's track and he wanted to call them to-dos instead of wanted to call them reminders instead of to-dos. And he pointed out that it was just kind of more fun. I thought that's been rolling around in my head this week. It's a little bit gentler.
Reminders instead of to-dos. Yes.
Yeah. And then finally, day 6, our last day of Global Hack Week, You continued working on your project that Ryan was doing and added animations and interactions to it.
Wait, where's the comment? I know.
We are Ryan.
Where
Bring
is
it up.
There it is.
Woo!
As we say.
As we say, we are Ryan. And then you all did.
Wait, what is P5.js? Do we happen to know? Or does anyone know?
I know it's a Python library.
.js is a Python library.
Right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I wouldn't expect it to be.
I don't use JavaScript.
Animation library in JS.
Oh,
I
okay.
was like,
There you go. Yeah, that does make sense.
Yeah, I was
but
like,
it's .js.
yeah.
There you go.
Thank you for the assist.
We could have read the title. We added animations interactions.
I feel like I did read the title.
Yeah.
You know,
As I've literally always said my whole life, P5.js is a library that lets you add animations and interactions to your hack.
Thank you. Yes,
You're
you've
welcome.
always said that.
I've
Famously.
literally always been saying that. And then you all did one final machine learning trial.
You can't hit the table; it shakes the camera.
Oh,
Then they're gonna get mad at us in chat.
I was getting too animated. I
Hands
keep my
up.
hands up. You all did a final track with Stephen where you explored the world of machine learning, which, little bit of spoiler here, but we may have announced our next AIML Global Hack Week secretly on the website, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. I'm sure Stephen will be streaming a ton at that one. Stephen's one of our AI experts on the team. So awesome stuff there. And then I did want to highlight a couple of the challenges that you all worked on throughout the week. Got a couple of projects in particular. Someone built a business card scanner, and these you can all go see on DevPost afterwards. But very cool one, very career centric. We love to see that. Yes, here's the cat picture generator with Dfang. Really, really cool. I know Leo called this out specifically on the stream, but there were hackers who finished these projects right on stream with him.
Nice.
And he was calling out how cool that was, and it really struck me. Like, I think sometimes I take that for granted that our community is just so like hackery, and of course we built the thing like while he was on stream and followed along. But having someone come in and like call out how impressive that really is when you think about it. Made me very proud of all of us here.
Nice.
Y'all did a bunch of technical interview questions, wrote out different descriptions for them, and practiced some different implementations, which was awesome. And now we're going to talk about what's next.
For sure. What do we got going on next here? It is going to be our December Global Hack Week. We're going to be focusing on data and databases. This is going to take place December 6th through 12th. Definitely make sure you come out and join us for that. I know databases is like data and database is like one of those things you're going to use in almost every project, it feels like. It's just a great skill to practice. I know we've done this theme before and it's resonated well with the community. And so excited to see what you all cook up at Global Hack Week Data in December. After that, in January, we've got our Beginners Week. We like to kick off the year with a very friendly, beginner-centric event. If you're one of our expert Global Hack Week attendees, though, no need to worry. We'll still have good content for you as well. But we like to make this as open and accessible to everyone as possible. I'm seeing somebody who's already going to join. We love to see it. I don't know if this is for Data Week or Beginners Week, but we're excited to have you at both of them. And then finally, Mary already alluded to this earlier, but in February, we are going to be doing another AI ML week. Artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to be really, really cool topics and really, really popular ones at that. And so you can join us for this. It is up on the website right now if you want to be one of the first folks to register for it. So make sure to check that out. It's going to take place February 7th through 13th. I'm very excited to see what everyone makes of that. I feel like I haven't done a stream in a while. Maybe I'll commit and I'll do something at AI ML week.
Y'all heard it
That's
first here.
months away, so I have plenty of time to prepare, but I probably could do one sooner than that. But I feel like I haven't streamed in a while. I should do a technical stream.
Committed to this one.
Yeah.
Amazing. You can sign up for all of those right now on ghw.mlh.io. Sign up now so that you don't forget about it. And then when I remind people of the next Global Hack Week, you can feel smug because you already did it. So
Smart.
Go and sign up now. And if you want to go to a hackathon before those, go and check out mlh.io/events. We have hackathons happening in person all over the world. Go and find one. If you enjoy Global Hack Week, I promise you are going to love our in-person hackathons as well.
I'm going to pause the entire stream. I just need to give a huge shout out to Samuel from Nigeria, and very excited. I hope you become a fellow here in the future as well.
Good shout out, pause.
Yeah, thank you. We will take another pause here to talk about swag. I know people always have questions about this. If you are interested in earning our swag this week, you can do that, and you still have a little bit of time to earn this, even though the event is coming to a close. You want to make sure you're registered and checked into the primary event. You want to make sure that you submit an address to us, and then you want to complete the featured challenges by our partners. Is there a specific list for this week that we need to cover?
They are all on our website if you go to the challenges page, but it is the setting up your DFANG CLI, starring the GitHub Sustainability Top Sustainable Projects repo, and then claiming the Student Developer Pack. So very, very easy. You could probably do them before we end this stream today.
And if you want to earn bonus swag, you would have done that by checking into 5 live events over the course of the week. Those are the streams that Ryan's and Steven's and folks on the MLH team have been doing all throughout the week. And so if you're interested in getting bonus swag for a future event, make sure that you come to lots of those live streams. With that, we have a few thank yous to do. Mary, I'm going to pass it back to you here.
Yes, I am going to run through a bunch of thank yous. So first up, we've got Alberto, Cecilia, and Jocelyn. Alberto and Cecilia both did several technical streams throughout this week. And then Jocelyn deserves a special shout out for streaming at her very first Global Hack Week. She has been a Global Hack Week hacker in the past,
yes.
Which I thought was particularly cool. We had a great conversation about some of the differences between hopping kind of on the other side of this. So huge shout out to them. Next up, we've got UT, Ryan, Lay, and Kari. UT did that awesome mobile track. Ryan, of course, was on stream building the profiles. And then Kari did a couple of technical streams and covered a bunch of our Today in Global Hack Week streams to make sure y'all had a place to ask questions.
Back in the before times, Mary and I used to fight over thanking each other on this slideshow. And I'm now realizing there's a great opportunity to do an all Ryan slide. So when I do my stream in February, we got to do an all Ryan. Ryan. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Next up, we've got Seaman and Azeeman. Steven, of course, did a huge number of technical streams, several hours spent prepping for those and then running them on stream. And then Azeeman ran a couple of our mini events for y'all.
Uh-oh, we're at the end of our presentation already? That doesn't seem right.
That does not seem right.
There it goes.
There we go. Next up, I want to thank Alina and Ryan Lalu. Ryan Lalu in chat, bring up the comment. Alina, of course, ran a bunch of our Today and Global Hack Weeks and mini events. And then Ryan Lalu did the GitHub Copilot workshops, as well as a few others. So
nice.
Huge thank you to them. And then, of course, last but certainly not least, want to thank Rosendo and Siddharth. First up for Rosendo, I do have an ask for everyone here. Rosendo celebrated a birthday this past week. I'm not going to tell you what day, but go and tag him in Discord and wish him a happy birthday today. If you are watching this, let's flood the chat with a bunch of notifications for him. But if you haven't met Rosendo yet, I know he has a big fan base at Global Hack Week. He works with all of our partners who make Global Hack Week available and free to everyone. So we truly could not do this event without him. And then in addition to him, I want to thank Siddharth. Many of you, I'm sure, talked to Siddharth in Discord tickets throughout the week or saw him on stream, but he's responsible for the logistics behind Global Hack Week and making sure everything runs. So huge thank you to these two.
Nice. As always, we want to make sure we thank our partners for these events. I know Mary just alluded to this, but we had DFANG with us here this week. Very excited to see Leo's stream and hackers participating alongside it there. Make sure you have that DFANG CLI set up if you're looking for swag this week as well. And then our friends at GitHub, we did both our GitHub Copilot workshop this week. And then we also had the GitHub sustainability team here with us as well, doing some of my favorite streams. I feel like I learned a lot on the sustainability one, so we'll give them a shout out for the extra content there as well. With that, I think we are at the end of our presentation. Yeah. I feel like can we do like a swag drop? There's like 20 people, 25 people. we're just going to say, tell us which of the upcoming Global Hack Weeks you're most excited for, and we'll give a random swag drop out here at the end. If you have any last minute questions, now is your opportunity for it. Well, we have to give Chad a second, so we need to banter.
I feel like we need a little music, like a do-do-do.
Be careful, we're going to get a copyright strike if you keep going there.
Okay, I'm starting to see the comments come in here.
And we'll do like that. I feel like actually, I maybe this is my bias showing. I feel like we should give Samuel one. He asked for the shout out, but
Okay, you can do that.
We are, you know what, we're going to just do that.
Okay.
Samuel.
He's gone rogue.
I have gone rogue, but I feel like that's maybe not fair. So maybe I'll do two.
Do so.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Samuel, take a screenshot. We'll give you a swag drop here. Hey, there you
Hey.
go. Samuel's excited. We
I
love to
love
see
it.
it. And then I'm just going to pick arbitrarily here. Joro here. We'll give you a swag drop as well. Make sure you open up a ticket in Discord and we'll get you some extra swag as a thank you for joining us at Global Hack Week here.
Amazing.
Any last notes?
Nothing. I will see you all next month. And thanks so much for hanging out with us this past week.
Cool. Hope everyone has a great time and happy hacking, everyone.
Bye,
Adios.
everyone.